Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your iPhone camera settings. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your phone settings, and then if you just scroll down you can find the option camera. Select it, and then if you just check here, there have no option to reset your camera settings. Only one way you can do that. Just let's back to your settings again and select general, and right now scroll down, and the in position you can find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Select this option, and then there have the option reset. Select it, and first option you can see reset all settings. So if you do that, it's also reset your iPhone camera settings. So in this way you can reset your iPhone camera settings. It will never delete your photos or videos from your gallery. So that's it guys, I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.